everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a Dogecoin cake. This is going to be a microwave mug cake, but we're going to use a bowl, so I guess it's a microwavable bowl cake. Anyway, let's get started. We're going to mix this right inside the bowl, so we're going to use a ½ cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup white sugar, 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup of milk, plus 2 tablespoons, 1/4 cup canola oil, 2 tablespoons water, and that's it. Now we just mix it up, and normally you would put it in the microwave at this point, but we're gonna make this all fancy. So I've taken and oiled another bowl and put flour in it so that hopefully the cake won't stick to the inside, and we're going to put it in the microwave and bake it that way. Oh, and I guess I should tell you, you should put it in for 4 minutes and 45 seconds on high. Our cake is complete. I'm gonna flip it onto the plate and shave off the top a little bit to try to make it a little more even. And now we're going to deliciously add candy melts on top while the cake is still hot. It tastes delicious. And yes, it hardens when it's done, but this is supposed to be like something you eat really quick while it's hot. So it won't have time to harden. It'll just be this melted, gooey yumminess. But we're not gonna stop there. I'm going to add another microwavable cake on top of this to make it a 2-layer cake. Unfortunately, when I did this, the cake kind of fell apart. And so I kind of squished it back together, you know, as you do. It just, you know, we're gonna put fondant over this. Nobody's even gonna know the difference. It'll still taste good. Next, I took out some fondant and I started colorizing it. I'm going to use yellow for the background. Unfortunately, my rolling pin broke, and so I'm using this little jar. It's a little spice jar. It's gonna have to do. I rolled out the yellow fondant, and then I placed it over the cake and cut out around the cake so that it would fit nicely. And then I just kind of squished fondant pieces together until it looked like a Doge. I mean, do we call him a Doge? Do we call him a Shiba Inu? Do we just call him a dog? Is his name Doge? I mean, these are questions that I don't have answers to. Maybe you can tell me in the comments down below. Next, I used food coloring to give it some shading. Then I put him on the plate, and then I trimmed him just a little bit. Then I put him on a better plate because this one had seen some stuff since we've been working with it. And then I added candy pieces around to make it look presentable. And that's it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time.